Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm thrilled to dive into today's incredibly important topic, one that affects almost everyone's lives: navigating debt and credit smartly. I'm your host, Kevin, and in this comprehensive video, we're going to unravel the mysteries of debt and credit, empowering you with the knowledge and strategies you need to achieve financial freedom. But before we begin, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how some individuals manage to thrive financially while others struggle to keep their heads above water? Well, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the keys to making informed financial decisions that will change your life. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Understanding Debt and Credit. In the journey toward financial mastery, our first step is grasping the fundamental concepts of debt and credit. Debt is money we owe, be it a mortgage, loan, or credit card balance, while credit refers to the ability to borrow funds. Distinguishing between good and bad debt is key. Investments like education and property can be empowering, while high-interest credit card debt can be detrimental. Moreover, we'll explore secured and unsecured debt and how interest rates shape our financial landscape. Armed with this foundational knowledge, you'll be better equipped to make informed financial decisions that will shape your financial future. Stay with us as we embark on this enlightening journey through the world of debt and credit. Chapter 2. Types of debt. Debt, a ubiquitous presence in our financial lives, comes in diverse forms, each with unique implications. Delve into the essential distinction between good and bad debt, investments that foster growth versus high-interest liabilities that hinder progress. Explore the security dynamics of secured and unsecured debt, discovering the collateral-based safety net of the former and the riskier nature of the latter. Learn how interest rates play a pivotal role, affecting both borrowing costs and long-term financial outcomes. Armed with this understanding, you'll be empowered to make shrewd decisions when it comes to managing and strategically utilizing different types of debt. Our journey through this intricate landscape promises to equip you with the knowledge to navigate debt with confidence and foresight. Chapter 3. The World of Credit. Unlocking the doors to financial opportunities requires a deep dive into the realm of credit. Explore the intricacies of credit scores, demystifying the factors that influence these crucial numerical representations of your financial health. Delve into the mechanics of credit reporting agencies and how to access your credit report for evaluation. Bust myths that cloud understanding, such as the impact of checking your own credit score. Discover the significance of a robust credit history and the doors it opens, from favorable loan terms to rental agreements. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be empowered to proactively manage your credit, strategically elevate your credit score, and secure your financial future. Our exploration of the world of credit promises to be illuminating, empowering you to make informed financial decisions and embrace credit as a tool for growth. Chapter 4. Creating a Smart Credit Strategy. Crafting a sound credit strategy is a cornerstone of financial success. Embark on a journey to establish credit responsibly, understanding the steps to take when you're just starting out. Explore the art of managing credit cards wisely, from selecting the right ones to using them strategically without falling into the debt trap. Uncover the power of leveraging credit to achieve your financial goals, whether it's buying a home or investing in your education. Discover the world of debt consolidation and refinancing, tactics that can simplify your financial landscape and potentially reduce your overall debt burden. Armed with the wisdom of a smart credit strategy, you'll be well equipped to make decisions that align with your financial aspirations, steering your journey toward prosperity. Join us as we navigate the terrain of credit strategies, unlocking doors to a brighter financial future. Chapter 5. Navigating Debt Successfully. As we navigate the labyrinth of debt, it's essential to equip ourselves with effective strategies for success. Dive into the world of debt repayment methods, uncovering the snowball and avalanche approaches that cater to different financial personalities. Learn the art of negotiating with creditors, a skill that can lead to reduced interest rates or more flexible payment plans. Understand the often overlooked emotional toll of debt and its impact on mental well-being, along with practical tips to manage financial stress. By comprehending the intricacies of debt, from its psychological effects to strategic repayment, you'll be better prepared to take control of your financial destiny. Our exploration of navigating debt successfully promises to empower you with the tools that not only alleviate financial burdens, but also contribute to your overall well-being. Chapter 6: Building a Debt-Free Future. The journey to financial liberation leads us to the pursuit of a debt-free existence. Embrace the art of crafting a realistic budget that aligns with your goals, helping you gain control over your finances and allocate resources wisely. Explore the importance of building an emergency fund, a safety net that shields you from unforeseen financial setbacks and reduces the need to resort to debt in times of crisis. Delve into the world of investments, understanding how strategic financial planning can pave the way for a prosperous future. Discover the remarkable compounding power of saving and investing, and how these practices can gradually extinguish the flames of debt while igniting the flames of financial freedom. By embracing these principles, you'll set yourself on a trajectory toward a debt-free life that's rich in possibilities. Join us as we unravel the path to building a debt-free future and transforming your financial landscape. Chapter 7: Real-Life Success Stories. What better way to ignite motivation than by delving into the inspiring tales of those who conquered their debt and credit challenges? Journey alongside individuals who turned adversity into triumph, learning from their experiences and strategies. Witness how determination, financial education, and smart decision-making led them to financial liberation. These real-life success stories serve as beacons of hope, demonstrating that with the right mindset and tools, you too can overcome obstacles and achieve your financial goals. By connecting with these narratives, you'll gain insights into the practical steps and emotional resilience required to navigate the often challenging terrain of debt and credit. Join us as we celebrate these stories of triumph, infusing you with the belief that a debt-free and financially empowered future is within your reach. Chapter 8: Expert Insights. In the pursuit of financial wisdom, seeking guidance from experts is paramount. Join us as we tap into the reservoir of knowledge held by renowned financial advisors and experts. Engage in insightful conversations that cover a range of topics, from debt management strategies to credit-building techniques. Gain a deeper understanding of the intricate nuances of finance as these experts share their insights, tips, and practical advice. Discover how their expertise can help you make informed decisions, steer clear of common pitfalls, and unlock new avenues for financial growth. By learning from those who have dedicated their lives to mastering the art of money management, you'll be better equipped to navigate your personal financial journey. Join us in this enlightening chapter as we tap into the collective wisdom of financial experts and empower you to chart a course toward financial prosperity. Congratulations on making it to the end of this extensive guide to navigating debt and credit smartly. Remember, financial education is a powerful tool that can transform your life. By understanding the ins and outs of debt and credit, you're equipped to make informed choices that will set you on the path to financial freedom. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, stay financially savvy.